Hey friends, welcome back. Today we're making Diri Djon Djon, which is Haitian Black Rice. I paired it with roasted fire chicken, and to finish it up I did a small little cabbage salad. Over here I'm adding my marinade to the chicken. Those are the ingredients on the screen. Also, I didn't give you the proportions of that because as I was mixing all of those ingredients, I kind of just tasted them to make sure that everything was on point. And honey, it was fire, okay? So I recommend that you do the same. Over here we have the Djon Djon, which is the Haitian black mushrooms, and they're dried. And what you want to do is give them a rinse, and or you can skip that step and just get to boiling. This is my first time dealing with it, my first time making black rice, so I skipped that step. No big deal. But you can rinse them first and then put them to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. While that is happening, I had my chicken roasting in the oven, honey, and look at how brown and golden and delicious it's coming out. No complaints here. And then what you want to do is take out all of the mushrooms and strain it and kind of press it against with a spoon to make sure that all of the black juices are being left behind, because this is the water that we're going to use, the black water that we're going to use to make the Diri Djon Djon, the black Haitian rice. Now I'm straining this liquid once more to make sure there aren't any pieces left behind, and it's ready. And now my chicken is ready as well, but the water is ready, so you set that aside so that you can start making your Diri Djon Djon. These are the ingredients again on the screen for the Diri Djon Djon, for the Haitian black rice, sorry. And so we're gonna start by mashing down a few cloves of garlic, and then you wanna mince some shallots, okay? You wanna mince some shallots, honey, and make it do what it do. You want to put some oil on your skillet or your pot, whatever you want to call it. Add your garlic, add your shallots, and make it do what it do. Let that brown a little bit, and add your Maggie cube. Also, they do sell these Djon Djon cube, which is the dried Haitian black mushrooms. They sell that also in the cubes as well. At this point, you want to start adding all of your other ingredients like your garlic powder, onion powder, your Haitian Epis, the red peppers, just everything that you see on the screen. You want to start adding it and kind of let it cook for a little bit, let it kind of brown a little bit. Add your thyme and your scotch bonnet. With the scotch bonnet, I did pierce a few cloves into it so that they don't get lost in the sauce, so that when you do take out your scotch bonnet, because you will take it out at some point, you don't have the horrible taste of the cloves lingering around and you accidentally chew on one of these, okay? Because it's just not a pleasant thing. Now you want to add your Djon Djon water, let it boil, and then you want to add your rice. In this case, I used basmati rice, but you could also use jasmine rice. Once most of the water had evaporated, I added the green onion and I covered and let it cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, you can just fluff it and let it just steam with no heat. This is the finished product. It was amazing. One thing I'm gonna tell you, when I made the salad, I completely forgot the zavocad, which is the avocado. You can see it earlier in the video, but what an atrocity is that to forget the zavocad. But yeah, next time that I make this meal again, obviously there's going to be a variation. I will include the zavocad, because hello, that would be a crime to not put the zavocad. But for the salad, I only had cabbage, heirloom tomatoes, and red peppers. We're definitely gonna run this meal back. It was so delicious. It was a 10 out of 10, but of course we're gonna switch up some things. Maybe the protein is going to be different, and I'm gonna do another how-to on this Diri Djon Djon.